Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our travel guide. In today's adventure, we're exploring the captivating city of Prague with a mixture of its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. In this video, get ready to discover the 18 hidden gems of Prague that will ignite your wanderlust and have you eagerly preparing for your next journey. But here's the catch. One of these extraordinary places remains a well-kept secret for most travelers. Stay with us, as by the end of this video, you'll have a profound admiration for the enchanting destinations Prague has to offer. Our first stop, and arguably the most iconic, is the Charles Bridge. This 600-year-old masterpiece connects Old Town and Lesser Town, casting a spell over all who cross it. As you stroll along, take in the breathtaking views of Prague Castle, especially at dawn or in the evening when the crowds thin out. The Charles Bridge isn't just a bridge, it's a time machine that transports you to a different era with each step. Located between Wenceslas Square and the Charles Bridge, Prague's Old Town Square is a historical gem. Marvel at the eclectic architectural styles of the surrounding buildings, from soaring Gothic towers to the Baroque splendor of St. Nicholas. It's a vibrant hub of activity, perfect for people watching and soaking in the city's rich history. The square feels like an open-air museum, where every building tells a story. Towering above the city is Prague Castle, a sprawling complex that's a journey through time. Explore the royal palace, churches, defensive towers, and lush gardens. The jewel in the crown is the magnificent street Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Prague Castle isn't just a historical site. It's a living testament to centuries of Czech culture and power. Wenceslas Square, one of Prague's main squares, is a shopper's paradise with a fascinating history. It was once a horse market and played a central role in Czech's 20th century history. Explore the Grand National Museum and Prague State Opera, all within a stone's throw of Old Town Square and Charles Bridge. Wenceslas Square is more than a shopping destination. It's a place where the past and present converge, making it the heart of the city. On the other end of Charles Bridge lies the Malá Strana or Lesser Town. Baroque architecture dominates this district, which dates back to 1257. St. Nicholas Church and Wallenstein Palace are must-sees, and the surrounding area is filled with charming pubs, shops, and international embassies. Lesser Town is a charming escape from the bustle of the city center, where Baroque elegance meets historical streets. The Church of Our Lady before Tyn graces the Old Town Square. Its Gothic towers soar 260 feet into the sky and are visible from all parts of the city. It's a stunning piece of Prague's history, with roots dating back to the 11th century. Tyn Church isn't just a place of worship, it's a Gothic masterpiece that dominates Prague's skyline. Prague's architectural diversity is on full display with the Dancing House. This deconstructivist building, resembling a dancing couple, stands on the bank of the Vltava River. While it's mainly a private office building, you can enjoy a meal at the Celeste restaurant on the 7th floor, open to the public. The Dancing House is not just a building. It's a statement, a blend of art and architecture that challenges conventions. The Powder Tower is not just any tower. It's one of the original gates into Old Town. Dating back to the 11th century, the tower once stored gunpowder, hence the name. Climb its spiral staircase with 186 steps for a fantastic view of Old Town. The Powder Tower is not just a historic relic, it's a gateway to Prague's past, where each step is a journey through time. Experience the tranquility of Petrin Hill, a vast urban oasis perfect for stretching your legs. Highlights include the enchanting rose garden at its summit, the Nebozizek Garden, a mesmerizing mirror maze, and the seminary garden adorned with over 2,100 fruit trees. With a history dating back to the 12th century, this versatile space has transformed from an execution site to vineyards and now lush farmlands. Discover the captivating history of St. Vitus Cathedral, with roots dating back to AD 925. The current cathedral, consecrated in 1929, showcases a neo-Gothic style complemented by Renaissance and Baroque elements. Don't miss the chance to admire the intricate silver work of St. John of Nepomuk's tomb and the breathtaking Art Nouveau stained glass windows by the renowned Czech painter Alphonse Mucha. Here's a tip from me. Arrive early to beat the crowds and make the most of your visit to this remarkable Prague Cathedral. Discover the lovely Wallenstein Garden near the Senate of the Czech Republic in Prague's Malá Strana. It was built in the 17th century and has a beautiful baroque design. In summer, you might even enjoy a concert or show there. Don't miss the friendly white peacocks and the pretty water features. The best part is it's all free, so it's a great place to spend a sunny day without spending money. The Prague Astronomical Clock in the Old Town Square is ancient, dating back to the 15th century. It doesn't show regular time, but is designed to tell you about the moon's phases and equinoxes. It had symbols like a money bag for greed and a skeleton for death. Every hour, it displays a unique time visualization. So let's dive into the vibrant world of the DOX Centre for Contemporary Art in Prague. Here, you'll find a diverse blend of design, sculpture, performances, and films, all aimed at sparking your thoughts on social issues. The building's intentionally perplexing design might not suit everyone's taste, but many visitors have had positive experiences. Just remember, the exhibits here change frequently. Now, let's move from the DOX Centre for Contemporary Art to the National Technical Museum, a place where history and innovation blend seamlessly. Established in 1908, this museum boasts 14 fascinating exhibits, from transportation with motorcycles, trains, and airplanes to the sweet world of sugar and chocolate. While car and plane enthusiasts will be thrilled, there's something here for everyone. Don't miss the captivating display of household appliances. Join us on a journey back in time at Prague's Speculum Alchemiae Museum. Explore secret underground labs where alchemists once pursued elixirs for love and eternal youth. Emperor Rudolf II's 16th century heritage, rediscovered in 2002 during renovations, comes to life in these immersive 30-minute tours. Visitors love the English-speaking guides and the magical atmosphere, reminiscent of Hogwarts-like atmosphere. Next, let's dive into the fascinating world of Prague Zoo, a fantastic destination for families. With more than 6 miles of scenic walking trails, you can explore the Africa House, the Indonesian jungle, and the Valley of the Elephants. Kids will have a blast at the Bororo Reserve play area, and there's even an observation tower for fantastic views. Plus, you can enjoy pony rides, a scenic chairlift, and more. Our last recommendation is the stunning Municipal House, an Art Nouveau masterpiece next to the Powder Tower. It used to be a seat of Bohemian kings and now hosts operas and plays. The building's entrance, with its concave mural and sculptures, is a true work of art. The Municipal House is not just a venue for the arts, it's a living testament to the city's cultural richness, where art and history unite in a breathtaking setting. And there you have it, all the best places you must visit in Prague. This city is a treasure trove of history and beauty, and we hope this guide helps you make the most of your visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration.